the 2026 GLE 450e 4MATIC Coupe. This is the all-new GLE Coupe. I'll show you guys the exterior features, interior, and talk a little bit about this car. Exterior is the polar white, and let's check what's under the hood. The Mercedes star sits flush on it. Underneath is a 3-liter inline 6 turbo engine with mild hybrid producing 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This car also has a 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Fuel economy is a modest 21 mpg, 19 in the city and about 24 on the highway. Power domes on the hood are standard in this GLE. This is the AMG line exterior, which means we have Mercedes star patterns right here. This car also has LED high performance headlights. I wish it had multi-beam, it does not. Also, we have gloss black elements around the outer air intakes. And let's check out the rear design here. Mentioned the coupe design, sloping roofline. The rear windows are tinted for privacy, that is standard. And amazing looking LED taillights. And you can see here we have the GLE 450 insignia on the left, and then 4MATIC on the right hand side. Lower section, very good looking rear diffuser, class 2 trailer hitch, which means we can tow up to 7,000 pounds. These are fake exhausts back here on this GLE. I don't like that, but we have a number of sensors on the lower section of the bumper, and very good looking rear spoiler. Very simple, very good looking car. Let's check out the storage in the back. So it's about 22 to 25 cubic feet of storage. We do have a cargo cover here to protect your luggage from the hot sun. It's an absolutely hot day today. We have speakers up here on the C pillars on the other side, and check this out. We have a spare wheel down here and the accessories to change your tire in case you get a flat tire. There is a first aid kit right here, and that's really the space in the back. Electronic tailgate is standard in your GLE. Let's step inside. We do have chrome door handles on the other side, and chrome accents around the windows. This is the interior options in this GLE. Inside we have a $1,600 option. This is the macchiato beige on the inside with the brown walnut wood trim on the upper dash. Power memory seats are standard. Burmester high-end speaker system. Leather wrapped upper dash. 3rd generation MBUX infotainment system. Wood trim looks absolutely stunning. I love this leather wrapped steering wheel with the high gloss black accents on the touch sensitive controls. Sun visors standard. Accessories at the top, SOS reading lights and Mercedes Me. And how about these seats? Very nice seats. They do have multi-contour features. Down here we have 2 USB-C ports and additional controls for the airflow, and that's really the space in the back. Very good. We do have this groove, so if you sit in the back, there's a ton of leg room as well. Storage netting down here, and these are very nice comfortable seats. And check out the wood trim back here with the Burmester high-end speaker system. The rear seats are heated. Love the gray contrast stitching on the leather macchiato beige down here. So check out the front. This is the front design on this GLE 450 Coupe. Love this wood trim. Very nice build quality, air vents, and check out the MBUX infotainment system. We have nav systems with augmented reality navigation, tons of options, dynamic select. This car has a number of drive modes. We have off-road, eco mode, comfort, sport, individual mode, and 2 cup holders are standard. NFC wireless charging, USB-C ports as well down here. You can see those. Love the wood trim. Just close that, and trackpad for the MBUX. Dynamic options will be found down here. Multimedia controls. Shortcut to the parking system. Fingerprint sensor to lock your MBUX infotainment system. Nav systems button is right here. If you press that, nav systems comes up. You can exit, press it again, comes up again, exit, and love the grab handlebars with the 64 colors ambient lights. You can see all the red all around. Inside we have additional storage and a USB-C port inside here. All this is leather wrapped, very high build quality in this GLE. Check out the headrests, very good. Love the perforations on the leather, all the way nice. The other side, that's really the seating arrangement. And check out the power memory seats, 1, 2, 3, heated cooled seats, Burmester high speaker system. Love the wood trim, black leather, nice macchiato beige. This is a $1,600 option in the interior leather upholstery. Let's jump to the driver's side. Give you guys one final walk around. Check out the sloping roofline design to the front, power domes in the hood. Let's go inside, give you another final perspective from this angle of the GLE 450 Coupe. Let's jump inside, start the car. Here we go. I'm gonna give the car some power and also adjust the dynamic select options to a sport mode, and very modest sound exhaust. The sound experience is pretty good. Love the old wood trim all around, the highest build quality you can find in Mercedes-Benz. This is a GLE interior options. Driver themes, understated theme. We have a sport. Hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
I'm hot.
I'm reducing the temperature to 64 degrees.
So we need some airflow. It's a pretty hot day. Assistance menu, off-road, and the service menu. Let's go back all the way to the sport menu. This is the view inside this car, and here's the spec sheet. Total retail on this car is about $86,000, and it's a 2026 GLE 450 4MATIC Coupe. So let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you guys think about this GLE 450 Coupe? Would you rather get the coupe version of the GLE 450 or get the SUV variant of that GLE? Leave some comments and rate this car on a scale of 1 to 10. And that's it. GLE 450 Coupe.